Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share that how to cook noodles. You know that noodles is different. So here the Korean one, ramen only. So I'm going to add this, all the boiling things and eggs like cauliflower and lettuce. These things I have already boiled here. It looks very tasty, with spicy. Today I'm going to cook here. So guys, for this we need first of all that two, that is I have brought this two eggs, one that is ramen, the Korean one. So here current I brought from outside, and then first I'm going to boil. I have to clean. I just cut this cauliflower and then that lettuce. So I have cut nicely, and then I just just have to big one only. So only just you have to boil first of all, and I put here a little bit that pepper, like black pepper here. So here almost done that one. After cooking that one, in that stock, just you have to put out the plates in different plates. That's whatever I have boiled before, and now you have to go on. I'm going to add here the noodles here. You can see I'm just adding in that. I'm not adding water, just whatever the stock one which I have boiled here, only that one. So I'm going to boil. You can see here it's almost boiled. It's 90%. You have to cook first, after that only you have to put, because it is little bit harder. It's not like I have keep in here. You can see the egg also I have boiled in that electric ones. I boil in there, and then some other vegetables in here in this pan, and some stock I'm going to add that this one also. And before that I just that only whatever I'm going to just let it make soft. That I'll take off all this that the noodles from their pan. It is very good to cook like this. If you eat in this cold seasons, it is very tasty, and it is very easy for you to cook, like boiling whatever you can see in the Chinese dish and Koreans. So I'm going to serve here. I don't have any big plates, because lots of I have adding two noodles, so that means it will be a little bit so you can see here I'm going to put off this almost have been cooked this noodles. So you can see here. So now that already have been cooked this everything, so I'm going to put off. Yes. This is a good I'm just my friends, two of them, they came here, and this because of this cold these days, I'm just trying to cook this dish here, one of my favorite, that is cauliflower, which I have boiled almost. So it is almost cooked, and lettuce also you can see, and lysak it's called, the lysak, that directly just you have to clean and directly you have to add in the pan. That is almost cooked here. So here now it's time to add my that eggs which I have boiled here. You can see here this I have already cut from the middles, and then you can see here sauces are there. Okay, we are getting from inside only. This is its main sauce, that is chili one. So I'm going to add here 4 eggs, because some challenging, like that they have to asking me to eat. So I'm going to serve this all. You can see this whole packet I have pour here. So another one, and that spices, as you can see the spices here now almost added. Now it is very You can see here the another one also liquid also. You can see how it's yummy, you know, very tasty. I have already added that in while I'm boiling that one. I add that little bit black pepper and ginger, 2 cloves, okay, and then that is the salt, the last one, and I cooked that one, so I didn't add anything. So you can see here he mixing all that you know, that masala, it's nicely covered. You can see here the taste is there in this noodles soup. That is soups. I'm going to try now. How's it, boy? Yeah, guys, this way you can cook at home also. This available in net also, this kind of noodles. I mean in online, you can see that whether in that online shopping you'll find this 2x, 3x, 4x, whatever you want. You can take from there, and then just you can prepare and you can have it with your family. So this time pandemic, you can cook at home, no need to share, you know, go from here and there. So it is very tasty. So guys, if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and hit like. So guys, have a fun, and then see you next time. So guys, thank you for watching.